Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we're diving into Telegram to show you how to search for and add people step by step. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest guides. Let's get started with finding people on Telegram. Step 1. Open the Telegram application on your device. This is your gateway to connecting with friends and family. Step 2. Navigate to the Contacts section. Here, you'll find a list of your current contacts and the option to add new ones. Step 3. Look for the plus icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. This is your tool to expand your contact list. Step 4. Now, it's time to input the new contacts details. Enter their name and mobile number in the respective fields. Make sure you have the correct information to successfully add them. Step 5. Once you've entered the details, simply tap on Create. And just like that, you've added a new contact to your Telegram network. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to search for and add people on Telegram. Thank you for watching this tutorial.